Hi beautiful people, how are you? It's your girl Yekum and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be talking about this beautiful hair, and if you're interested to see how I made it, keep on watching. So this hair is so beautiful, and I actually made it from my DIY spring twist from my last video. If you haven't watched it, please make sure you check it out. I will leave a link to the video so you can check it out and do it for yourself as well. So this is the extension I made from Kenekelon braiding hair. So just go ahead and watch it if you want to do something like this with me. So this is the hair I did. I already prepped my hair, guys, and I sectioned it into smaller parts so that it's going to be easy for me. And I did the back part of my head already. So this is the extension I'll be using. So what I will do is to unravel it to make it fluffy. So when it is fluffy, it's going to give the bouncy curls that I am really going for. So if you want to do this, make sure you unravel it carefully. Don't be so hard on the curls, otherwise you're going to ruin your curls. Okay, so just gently unravel it to make it more fluffy so that the curls are going to be bouncy as well. Yeah, I'm just trying to make it fluffy and so I can start braiding my hair. I was a little bit rough here. Don't do this to your extension, otherwise your curls will be damaged and you won't have that bouncy look when you make your spring twist. So just be careful. So guys, after when I've unraveled the curls, the spring twist hair, I section my hair into smaller parts to my desired size. If you like, you can make it larger. If you like, make it medium, but I decided to make it small because I really wanted my hair to be thick, to be full. Yeah. So when I section my hair, I use the Stylin gel. Yeah, I just try to make the sections clean. I really did not bother about the sections because of course it's my hair and I cannot be perfect. So I just did what I can do, but I'm okay with it. I really didn't want it to be so thick or so defined. Yeah, my sections are okay. So I just start right away to braid my hair. Actually, the video is self-explanatory and I don't even need to talk, so you can just watch what I'm doing and I'll talk when it's necessary for me to say something. Okay? Yeah. So guys, I actually start the braiding with regular braids, and then I'll when I feel like it's secure and I feel comfortable, then I will start to do the twist. And the way I'm going to do the twist, it's like in the opposite direction of the curls. If you want it to be bouncy like this, if you want to make a spring twist like this, then you need to twist it in the opposite direction of the curls. I don't know if you understand, because if you twist it in the direction of the curls, it's going to be like a Senegalese twist or something. But if that's the look you're going for, then you can twist it that way. But if you want a bouncy spring twist like the one that I have right here, you're going to twist it in the opposite direction of the curls. I don't know if it's making sense, but just see how my hands are moving. Yeah, or you can try it several times. The first time you try it, you'll see it's very easy. Just twist in the opposite direction of the curls. You'll see if it's bouncy. But if you want the Senegalese twist, then you can twist in the direction of the curls. I don't know if you understand me, but I really hope you do. So when I braid to the end when I twist to the end, I make sure I cut the excess ends, which is not looking presentable. So when we are there, you're going to see how I'm going to cut it. This extension is pretty long, so I really love it. That's the reason why if you do like a DIY spring twist by yourself, You can customize it to any length or any color that you really like, because some companies will not produce something which is really long. Because if you want something short, you can always cut it, but if you want something long, of course you cannot put it together. So this is a way using the DIY. So I'm just trimming out the excess end, and that's going to be it. So see how the curls are bouncy, right? I said you need to braid in the opposite direction of the curls, otherwise you won't have these bouncy curls. So this is just what I'm going to be doing through the whole video. So just keep watching, guys. I hope you're enjoying the video, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. I'll let you enjoy the video, guys. Okay, guys, that's how far I have done it, and it's really beautiful. I love how it's turning out. I hope you too are loving it. Oh my god. So this is how I'm just going to continue doing it. I'm just going to continue doing this same process until I am done with everything, and I'll show you the final look. The final look. And here we are with the complete look of this beautiful bouncy spring twist. Isn't it so cute and beautiful? Oh my god, and it's so easy to do. You are not supposed to be a professional before you know how to do this particular style. If you just follow the process, curl in the opposite direction of the coil, you will get something so beautiful, so lovely, and the any color that you like to do. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for staying with me. Please like, share, comment, and hit the notification button so we stay as one big family, and any videos that I publish, you'll be the first to be notified. Stay together with me. Let's be beautiful and let us rock this afro hair together, guys. Oh my god, don't forget to put your mousse, and I use the olive mousse. Actually, any product I used, I'm going to leave it in the description box so you will be able to access it if you need it. Thank you so much for staying around, guys, and it's going to be a goodbye for now.